So I got this Tempur-Pedic mattress topper. I wanted to show you what it's like unboxing it from beginning to end. I specifically got the size queen, but there are numerous sizes. And then I got the one that has the cooling version because mattress toppers are hot. Trust me, you want the cooling. I just threw away my old mattress topper because it was too hot. So I got the queen and then I got the cooling version. Let's go ahead and get this open. So when you open the box, part of the actual packaging, which is pretty cool, I've never seen it be part of the packaging, is the instructions, which is quite simple. You unpack it, you unroll it, and then you allow 24 hours for it to fully expand, but it says you're welcome to sleep on it the night that you open it. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, it comes air sealed, packaged really, really tight and rolled up into a little ball. I'm gonna have to cut through all of this to get it open. So as you can see, there are these straps. This is actually the bottom. And then this side that has the textured fabric, this is the top. So I'm gonna switch it over. Daisy already likes it. So this is supposed to expand to 3 inches. Right now, I would say it's maybe 2.5, but it still definitely has some room to go. So I'll come back in a couple of hours and see if it's expanded and if it's any bigger. So I've already finished unwrapping the mattress topper and it comes with the cover. This is the cover. It's already on the mattress topper itself when you open it, so you don't have to go ahead and add it. It's already done for you. The other thing is there is a zipper. Depending on how you set it up, if you have the Tempur-Pedic logo, which is right here, facing towards the end of your bed, it'll be on your right hand side. So there is a zipper over here so that you can take the cover on and off and wash it. The other thing that I will note, and I'm actually pretty surprised about, it's cool to the touch, like already. It's definitely very cooling. I'm not sure if it's the topper itself or if it's the sheet, but it feels great. Like, my place, it's 90 degrees outside today, and I think inside we have it at like 80. It's toasty in my place, and this feels nice and cool. So this definitely has the cooling effect. I would say it's worth it to upgrade to the cooling because I do feel the difference, and I've had quite a few mattress toppers. I've never sat on a topper and immediately felt coolness, so that's pretty cool. So I'm going to see how long it takes to expand and then come back and then give a review after I've had some time to sleep on it and let it fully expand. Okay, so now I've had this a few nights and I've been able to sleep on it. It's also been able to fully expand. If you remember from earlier in the video, this section was like squished together. You can now see it's the full 3 inches. The cooling effect is definitely worth it. I've had other mattress toppers where they're supposedly cooling, but they feel just like any other mattress topper. This is the first mattress topper where I actually feel a difference. Like, it definitely has a cooling effect, and it's not like hot. You don't feel like sweaty throughout the night. It's really nice. So I think this is definitely the best mattress topper that I've ever had. 1, in comfort, and 2, in the cooling effect. So going on to the comfort route, I have a pretty like big arch on my back, so the problem I have with mattress toppers is a lot of times my back is shaped like this and the mattress topper is like this, and it won't form to the shape of my body. Even though this mattress topper is only 3 inches, it forms and like hugs all my curves. So it gives a lot of support and it's really comfortable, and it's definitely worth it to me in that aspect because I have more support. So I give it probably a 10 out of 10. This is the first mattress topper I've ever given a 10 out of 10 because of the comfort factor, but then also because of the cooling factor. So I hope you found my review helpful. Have a good day. Bye, y'all.